What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, my wife is pretty perfect. She can really, I'm being honest, she can make just about anything. Everything she cooks is good. She's never made a bad dish. But there's one thing that, as a husband, I'm always missing, and that's my mom's peanut butter fudge. Nobody's fudge is the same. So today, we're going to go to my mom's house and let her teach this one how to make her peanut butter fudge. You're welcome, because you're going to make this every holiday. Stay tuned. All right, so Kim is going to fill you in on the ingredients needed, and this is going to be a double run.
So we've got white sugar, light brown sugar, creamy peanut butter, evaporated milk, butter, and vanilla.
All right, guys, 4 tablespoons of butter to get started. 2 cups of light brown sugar. And if it ain't Dixie, is it sugar? It's got to be Dixie.
It's got to be Dixie. You know me.
That's what I said when she was almost going to buy store brand evaporated milk, and I was like, you can't bring that non-name brand shit over. So that's the brown sugar, the butter, and how much milk was that? 1 cup?
A whole cup
A whole cup of evaporated milk.
for a double batch.
This is for a double batch because we're hungry people. 2
Right.
cups of white sugar.
Have it sweet
That's a little over 2 cups
It was.
of white sugar.
We're going to stir this and melt it, and then we're going to, when
Add
it
the
gets
peanut
to
butter.
boiling, we're going to drop a little ball in some cold water and see if it gets hard. And if it does, then we know we're ready.
Is the peanut butter already in there yet?
It's just
No.
a soft ball is what we're going to boil it to.
Oh, the peanut butter's not in there yet.
No, the peanut butter or the vanilla is not in here.
Okay, so we wait for that.
Yeah.
So we add the sugars and the butter, and we wait for it to
we
melt down.
melt it, yeah. We melt it down. Bring it to a soft ball. That's what we're gonna do. You wanna start?
Sure. Just like I got somebody here that can do the hard work.
All right, so this is on medium-high heat to get this all melted. All right, guys, so now you can see that most of that butter has melted, and it's just this nice creamy texture.
Yeah, it's gotta get even creamier.
Even creamier.
Yes.
Because right now you can still
You
see
can
the
still the
crystals.
sugar.
in the
How
sugar.
adorable
Make sure it
is
gets
that?
the side. If you can hear it.
Yeah, you can still hear it crunching.
Yeah.
Also, it's still granulated. Yeah.
We need to get that nice and smooth.
All right, guys, you've never seen my mom before. This is my mom, Diane, and she's been making this fudge for me forever, longer than me. And you don't know where this recipe came from, though, right?
I don't remember if it was Mama's or what, but I've been making it all my life.
And it's the best. So if you think you've had the best peanut butter fudge in the world, I promise you you're wrong. And make this recipe, and you're going to agree. What?
No, I was just gonna say every store that we go to and you try someone else's peanut butter fudge, you're like,
It's just
this is
not
not the
it.
same.
It's not the same.
And he's even thrown peanut butter fudge away that he's bought
Yeah,
because he's
I
like,
have to.
this is just not
I
any good.
have to.
Just not any good.
Yeah. You ruined me, Mom.
It's not peanut butter, is it?
Yeah, it's like they make just sweet, kind of semi-brown fudge. This stuff is dark, like the peanut butter that it's actually made from. So,
See, the peanut butter fudge recipe that I have, and I've never made it because there's no reason for me to even attempt, my grandmother gave me, and it has marshmallow cream in it.
Oh.
that's how
My
Dreama used to
sister
make it. That's how Dreama used to make it.
With
Yeah.
marshmallow cream.
She did.
Yeah.
And it was okay. Like,
It was.
Dreama gave it for me every Christmas, and I loved it,
Yeah.
and I ate it, but it wasn't the same. All right, and guys, you can see now they have a cup of water there because what she's trying to do is see if this mixture will make a small brown ball
Soft
if
ball.
she dips it in that water. So that's what
Just
that's
drop
going to
a
be there
drop
for.
in there, and if it makes a soft ball when it goes down, it's ready. But it ain't ready.
And so,
And is
then-
this just regular cold tap water?
Mm-hmm.
and so you do all this before you mix the peanut butter and the vanilla in.
Right.
I always assumed it was the other way
And it
around.
already looks like a peanut butter color.
Yeah, that's
Brown
just that
sugar.
light brown sugar.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Now
then
she's
drop
going to do the drop test.
It balled.
So, I don't know what the hell that means. Do it again.
It formed a ball. See it?
See how it forms a ball as it goes down?
Gotcha. I feel like it looks like a puddle, but okay.
Float. It just seems.
Hey, that one's better. Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
better now.
So it forms a solid ball.
Yeah, so that's supposed to be a cup and a half, but Mom really just took that big ass spoon and put it in the peanut butter. She has no idea if it was a cup and a half.
But that's close enough. Listen,
Yeah.
if you've ever measured peanut butter, it's a pain in the rear.
And here's your vanilla. And we put 2 of these, don't we?
Yeah.
2 of them.
Look at that peanut buttery goodness. 2 tablespoons of vanilla.
Man, that smells good.
Oh man, that's so pretty. Like, yeah, that's super pretty. So you see what I mean, guys? Look at the color of this versus that like milky white fudge that you see at all these little touristy spots. Like this looks like peanut butter. Not some watered down, diluted variant of peanut butter.
And let me tell you, this peanut butter fudge makes the absolute best s'mores
Yeah, I
ever.
remember you saying that.
Best s'mores, yeah.
Yes. She brought it over one time when we were having a cookout and we were grilling and we had a fire pit. We were making s'mores and I thought, hey, let's just try this with the s'mores. Holy crap. It's the best thing ever.
So what do you do now, Mom? Now that she's got it all
She's
mixed?
got it ready, all mixed up. She needs to bring it over here and pour it in these dishes. And you're gonna have to.
Are the dishes already buttered?
Huh?
Are the dishes
You gotta
already
butter
buttered?
the dishes
Yeah,
first.
I did.
All right. Man, that smells good now. All right, so all of these containers that she's putting this in, they have already been pre-buttered so that the fudge comes out of it a little easier. How is it?
Very
Is
tasty.
it tasty?
Don't you wish you could eat it?
I do, but I'm a puss. It's too warm. All right, so that just goes in the. You just leave it sitting out at that point, Mom.
You let it cool?
How long? And just needs to cool for what?
Yeah, just put a little while.
A couple hours.
Well,
Yeah.
so you can stay out of it.
All right, guys, that is my mama's peanut butter fudge recipe, and I promise if you make it, it's going to be amazing.
Yes.
Any advice for them? Take your time.
Just, yeah, let it go slow till it boils good and it forms a soft ball and you put it in the cold water.
As soon as it
Just
does
a
that,
drop, yeah,
you're ready.
and you're ready.
All right, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, all that stuff. Enjoy the fudge. We'll see you next time.